Hey folks, hey, this is Wesley, Billion Dollar Virgin. Hey, welcome. What I want to do, listen, before you register for this training, what I would like to do is first log into one of my accounts, and I want you to actually to see the money that I'm making right now every single day, right? It's easy to ask people to register for these trainings, but what I want to do is prove to you that I'm actually earning money before you decide to click the register now button. So this is my account here, Digistore 24, and this is the money I'm making every single day here. You see that? 1,300, 2,000 a day, 2,000 a day. And let me show you the date here. Listen, before you register now, it is August 29, 2020 of me doing this video, and this happens every day. Now the question is how? Listen, for the past 7 years, I failed online. People were BSing me. I went to the seminars, I read the books, and it was incorrect. And in this webinar that you're going to register for right now, I and this young lady that I taught, okay, I found the person that was less techy. She didn't understand the internet. She doesn't understand how to create websites. And now, from this very training that you're about to register right now for, that she's going to teach, she earns $100,000 per month. Now listen, I'm not guaranteeing that you're going to make $100,000 per month, but you may make $10,000 per month. What you're going to learn here is some behind the scenes things that I've exposed in the internet marketing industry that anybody with no skill, you can be 50, 40, 20 years old, a teenager, maybe you didn't graduate from high school or college. It doesn't matter. If you follow and listen and take notes to everything that you're going to see in this training, your life and your family's life will be in a very, very great situation. Okay? So all you need to do is just scroll down. You find a blue button that says register now. Click it. Click a time and date for me and you. Actually, it's going to be me and her, and we're going to train you together. It's very private. We fill up very quickly. So I will urge you to take urgency now and understand you're here for a reason. Click the register now button. Get a time and date. It's free. Doesn't cost you any money. But once you apply this, it is no reason. If you're serious, if you're tired of the 9-to-5 grind, if you're ready for something different, I promise you, you'll be glad once you decide to register right now. Hey, this is Wesley, Billion Dollar Virgin, and I'll see you in the training. Let's go.